Welcome. In this updated guide, we will explore how to fix Instagram login problems. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve login issues on Instagram. 1. Recover your Instagram password. Begin by attempting to recover your Instagram password through the Forgot Password option on the login screen. 2. Check your username or use email phone. Double-check the correctness of your username or consider using your linked email or phone number to log in. 3. Verify if your account was hacked. Look out for any email notifications from Instagram regarding account changes. Ask a friend to verify your current username by visiting your profile and taking a screenshot. 4. Use Facebook login, if linked. If your Instagram account is linked to Facebook, try logging in using the Facebook login option. 5. Clear cache and data. Clear the cache and data of the Instagram app on your device. This can help resolve any temporary issues affecting the login process. 6. Restart the app and try logging in again. Close the Instagram app completely and restart it before attempting to log in again. 7. Check Instagram server status. Verify the status of Instagram servers to ensure that any login issues are not due to server problems. 8. Update the Instagram app. Make sure your Instagram app is up to date by checking for and installing any available updates. 9. Restart your device. Restart your device to refresh its system, which can sometimes resolve login problems. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Instagram login problems. Thank you for watching, and we hope these solutions help you successfully log in to your Instagram account.